I find you, I'ma knock you down, 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 down. Right now, I'm right down my side of town. I'm high as hell, you fly as hell, you hold me down.
I know. Hey guys. I don't know how to zoom in, but
What'd you say?
what?
What'd you say?
What?
Yeah.
I don't know how to zoom in.
Oh, easy. I'll show you. She don't know. You can't. Oh, zoom in on here.
Anyways, so today is
Carnival.
okay. So today right now we're at the carnival. You see the
So I
fit?
can upload it too.
You see the fit? No, we can't upload the same vlog. You see how she trying to do, y'all? Unsubscribe and subscribe to me. Anyways,
Nah.
that's what I was saying, y'all.
Yeah.
So the gag is we at the waffle booth right
Can
now.
I vlog on your phone too? And you can interrupt.
Tristan,
I'm so serious.
why are you interrupting me while I'm trying to talk to my people?
Can we discuss this
Later. I'm really not that mean. I purpose like I'm not mean. Like, period. I'm not mean. Period. I'm not mean.
Okay, maybe I am mean, but it doesn't matter. Like,
Okay, back to what I was saying, guys. So we're at your mama's house. Please come here. I'm gonna say it. Okay.
are you done? It's gonna feel weird. You have to hold it straight. I don't care. I don't. I don't. It's gonna be fine. Anyways, that's what I was saying. So
I'm trying to tell her.
We're at the waffle booth, and I just want to let you know after this video that I was abused. PSA, I was abused. Cooking up. Cook it up, cook it up, cook it up. Run up a chicken, I run it up. Give me my bag and I run it up. Run away, run it up.
Hi. Ooh, my collarbone.
Okay. Y'all see it? We cooking. We cooking it up here. You see the syrup. There's kind of off-brand syrup, but it's okay. All right.
And that's just Angelina's. It's not real simple. Simple. Hi. That's really good.
Okay. Yeah. So yeah. Tristan's kind of being crazy.
Excuse you?
Tristan's trying to be crazy.
I'm not. You were over here thinking.
What's up? Yeah. Tristan's acting crazy.
She just cut me off like that.
She want to have my baby. It's weird. Yeah, and then they become Tarzan.
But you don't just put a baby in
Anyways.
the wild. You don't.
Hello, guys. I'm back with. No, it's the wrong one.
I know.
I'm back with my cringy ASMRs.
Let me do something. Can I? Do something real quick.
Can you stop? Anyways, no.
You're holding your camera wrong and it's making my OCD.
I don't care about your OCD. All right. Yeah, me.
So, and then you go cut me
As
off.
y'all see, I got my hair did. You'll see that.
She was just insecure about it like 5 minutes ago.
And I still am. Period. Anyways, back to what I was saying. I'm gonna take y'all around the carnival, bruh. Just wait for it, bruh. But right now, we just chilling right now. We making waffles.
This is why I need an iPhone.
Y'all see how she do, y'all? She didn't even bring her camera. But that's not the point, y'all.
What?
She didn't bring y'all camera. Y'all gonna get 2 vlogs, bruh. One from the carnival and one from homecoming, bruh. I'm gonna do a get ready with me from homecoming too. So it's gonna be litty than a stitty.
I'm really tired of this, bro. Like,
You didn't say nothing about that period.
but
So
I didn't have to say it. I was just like,
you didn't even bring your camera to vlog.
I'm using my cell phone.
You are not using a
I
Samsung.
am.
Yo, boy.
I ever made.
Yo, boy.
Where did I
Okay. I thought that boy was getting waffle, but I don't know where he went. So we're just gonna put it over here. So yeah, y'all seen our waffle. Let me turn my boy. It's kind of light skin, but
Did you just say light skin? It's kind of not cooked all the way.
it's kind of light skinned. Like I said, but it's still good. Like I don't want no burnt waffle, so light skinned is the way to go for a waffle. I'm finna show y'all all around. Quesadillas and chips and salsa. Over here we got fried Oreos, as y'all can see. We got pretzel. We got popcorn as well. I don't know. Tedros. Cotton candy. So, yeah.
Excuse me.
Over here we have tamales. So, I got a panda bar from the Chinese booth. I saw my Chinese teacher. She was lit.
Wait, can I see?
Lit the stick. Real quick. Tristan, I'm putting this in the vlog. Anyways. Stop it. Hi. You want to be my vlog? What's up?
Hey, what's up? It's Carnival 2018.
We lit.
We what?
Lit.
We lit. We lit. We lit. Oh shoot, I'm not looking at the right place. Where the fuck?
It don't matter.
Are you gonna edit that?
I'll see you later. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciation. I'm trying to figure out where everybody is. This tastes good, y'all. It tastes like chocolate. Really? But look, not. Yeah, that it is.
What's wrong with this? What's wrong?
Yeah, he almost got killed by a door.
Yeah, you could have got logging.
Oh yeah, we almost got killed by a door. Y'all seen it here. Yeah, that's definitely gonna be in the thumbnail. Period. Okay, so we outside now. Y'all see the sun? Period.
Yeah.
Hi vlog. Oh wow, that lighting is
Cotton candy was the same way.
Okay.
Do you want some soda? Which is a real shit.
I don't drink soda. I don't drink soda.
You don't drink soda?
No. Bye. Thanks. We chilling, bro. The light is hidden, bro. It is. It really is. It's lit, bro. Period. I don't really want to go in there because I feel like she's gonna harass me and I can't. So, yeah. Oh, yeah. We're finna do the Velcro wall, bro. It's finna be.
I'm really tiny, so I might be able to do it.
Mike, you sound like a child. Can you talk in your voice?
Okay, I might be able to do it. Am I shorter than you?
Yeah.
That's cool.
All right, so yeah, we're finna do the Velcro wall. She's not my sister. I'm not her cousin. Period. Okay, bye.
Oh no.
Quit! Don't do karaoke! Okay, yeah. Karaoke. Go do karaoke. Oh my gosh, that was lit. So,
That was that.
yeah, that was lit. Right. I'm sick. Like,
What?
honestly, like, I'm crazy. But
Are we doing a cakewalk? What are we doing next? You wanna go to the other room?
We in this thing like a chicken wing.
Some stuffed animals. I wanna drive that golf cart so stinking bad, bro.
You can't drive the golf cart. You don't even have a license.
Do you have a license? No.
And I don't want to drive it. Period.
I wanna drive it.
Yeah. So it's lit, y'all. I don't know what time the football game start, but
2.
we gonna be lit in there too. 2.
Ooh, let's play Mario Kart. I think they're booty at Mario Kart, bro.
Probably 2.
Hey,
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Alright guys, so you see, we got Shirley Temple. I don't even know. We don't know what's happening at this point. Oh, you want to get tamales? Okay.
what time you leaving? You staying the whole day? I don't know. I'll ask my dad. He was like, I'm not gonna sit around waiting for you to be done, so you need to hurry up.
Yeah, they got Gucci.
Cause I'm like,
I'm finna ask.
let's look. I need to have my little craft table. Cause I'm like, Daddy, come up here and get me in, Mom.
So yeah, the Gucci was fake. Yeah. See, I'm at home. It's officially time for me to end this vlog. Yeah, it was great. I had a lot of fun with my friend Tristan, and that's all I really have to say. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, bro. Turn it on. Why am I so cringy? Why?
Share this video to all your friends so they can get lit too. Alright, y'all. That's it. Sugar out.
Girl, it's somebody next to you that's hating on me. I don't know what they telling you, but they don't know me. I could fuck up a text on you. I got money. Girl, if you know what's best for you,